Imagine a world where biggest cybersecurity attacks are stopped before they even begin. In 2025, that's not science fiction. It's becoming reality thanks to artificial intelligence. Forget what you think you know about security. The game has fully changed. AI is no longer just a tool, it's the frontline defense in a constant war against evolving cyber threats. But how exactly is this powerful technology being used to outsmart hackers and protect digital future? Hi all, I'm Ritika Chaurasia, and in next few minutes we are going to uncover how AI can predict tomorrow's threats today. So let's start with the big picture. The past year has seen an alarming rise in sophisticated cyber attacks, ransomware, nationwide espionages, and supply chain compromises have all become more frequent and more dangerous. The truth is, traditional defense mechanisms like firewalls, antivirus, and patching cycles are no longer enough. These tools react after an attack has already happened. But modern hackers don't wait around. They strike fast, they hide deep, and they adapt. This has pushed the cybersecurity world more towards a new mindset, the pre attack mindset. Instead of waiting to be hit and then scramble to recover, we now ask, can we see the attack coming before it even starts? So that's where AI enters. So AI is a crystal ball. How it works? Now let's demystify the buzz. How exactly does AI predict cyber attacks? Think of it as a crystal ball. Not because it's magical, but because it can process information at a scale and speed humans simply can't. AI systems analyze vast datasets, logs, network traffic, user behavior, and search for anomalies. Machine learning and deep learning algorithms study billions of past attack patterns, identify hidden correlations, and then flag suspicious behavior before it turns into a breach. For example, if an employee's account suddenly logs in from two countries within an hour, AI will detect it instantly. Or if a tiny piece of malicious code is hidden inside normal traffic, deep learning models can spot it. Behavioral analytics and continuous monitoring of network traffic have become critical. It's like having an intelligent watchdog that never sleeps and never ignores small clues. The difference AI makes isn't just about prediction, it's about reducing damage and keeping organization online even under threat. So, what are the challenges? Of course, every technology has challenges, and with AI, one of the biggest is what experts call adversarial AI. If defenders are using AI, attackers are too. Hackers are already training their own AI models to bypass security systems, making this a constant cat and mouse game. There are also ethical concerns. AI driven surveillance means analyzing huge amount of data. So where do we draw the line between security and privacy? And finally, AI is not a magic bullet. It can flag suspicious behavior, but humans are still needed for context, decision making, and strategy. The future isn't the future isn't AI versus humans. It's AI with humans. So what does this mean for you? Whether you are an individual or a part of an organization, you have a role to play in this predictive future. Stay cyber aware, don't fall for phishing links, keep your systems updated, and use multi factor authentication. If you work in IT or security, start learning about AI powered tools and how they integrate with security operations. And for students and professionals, AI in cybersecurity is one of the fastest growing fields. From threat hunting to predictive analytics, there are exciting career opportunities opening up right now. The bottom line is this: cyber threats will keep evolving, but so will our defenses. With AI as a partner, we are no longer just reacting to attacks, we are getting one step ahead. So stay informed, stay adaptive, and let's build a secure digital future together. Now, if you're still with me, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more engaging videos like this. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.